Hi, welcome to Conversations with Carissa. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, I am getting ready to harvest the potatoes from the second container. Now, if you haven't had a chance to go out and look at the first container, I attempted to harvest some potatoes, but it didn't turn out right, you guys. So go out and look at that video. If not for laughs, just kind of look at it as a learning lesson, okay? And so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to, I'm not gonna attempt. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these potatoes because I'm gonna think really positive that there are potatoes in this container right here, you guys. I know it is. I just feel it. All of the leaves have died back over and over and over, so there is just nothing growing in this container. So, but before I get into this container, I need you guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let me get into this harvest. All right, y'all. Ooh. Now, I ain't gonna do no beating on the container. I'm just gonna get to it, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, y'all. Oh, well, now, it look a whole lot better than the other one, y'all, but I don't know if I'm gonna get any big ones out of this. But this is what so far has fallen out of the container. I got all this dirt in this container. Okay, let me get another bag. Okay, so I'm gonna put my gloves on to get to the nitty-gritty of this, okay? I also learned that this is some potatoes, you're not gonna be able to. Well, let's just see what happens before I make this statement. And so I've gotten, it's looking a whole lot better than what it was looking before. And so definitely we're gonna be able to use these, okay? And so this is the largest one so far. Woo! My red potato, y'all, look at it. It's getting bigger and bigger, y'all. Okay, here's some more small potatoes. I don't know if I'm gonna get that many out of here. Another small one. But it's, like I said, it's a whole lot better than it was than the first batch. Here's another size, a nice little decent size for me, y'all. I know it ain't big, but this is good for me, y'all. It's good for me. Okay, we got another little small one, y'all. Okay, we got, looks like it's getting a little bit bigger, but I don't think I'm going to get anything that's going to be larger than this. I just don't think that this is going to happen for me. But I'm happy with what I'm seeing thus far. I don't think I have any more of this in here. Okay, y'all, so that's it. I don't think I'm going to find any more. I know I'm not going to find any more in this dirt. And so I want to say that although these potatoes are small, although they are small, I have to say, you can see it, I have to say this is, I know y'all probably looking at this, especially those who probably have done very well with harvesting potatoes. But look, this is a win for me, you guys. I'm going to look at it as a win. But I was told that, now these are the potatoes that I bought out of the store. So I was told that potatoes that were bought out of the store, because of what they spray on it or what have you, I may not be able to get a harvest off those potatoes because of, I don't know if, I guess because how, maybe because of the stuff that they spray on it. And I think they, from what I understood, from what I was told, that it's intentional that you can't really replant the potatoes that you get out of the store for that reason. They do it purposely so that you can't reproduce more, potatoes from what you get out of the store. Now, I think probably some people may have been successful in doing it, but I was told that it would be best to get the potatoes that you can purchase for planting and regrowing. And so I felt a whole lot better, when I was given that information. And so what I'm going to do is find a seed shop that have potatoes and just do another. I'm going to plant some more potatoes. I just need to find a shop. If anybody can tell me what is a good place to go to get seed potatoes, I really would appreciate it. Please put it in the comment section or what have you. And I'll do that. I'll go and try again, because I'm going to keep trying until I get larger potatoes. I told you before, I don't give up. I do not give up. Okay. And so, but I am happy, and I will definitely be using these potatoes. Okay. I will be eating. We're going to have us a dinner off these potatoes right here, because they are large enough for me to have a little small meal of potatoes from this. Okay. And so thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'm happy, y'all. It's better than what it was before. All right, I'll see you next time.